Okay, so let's do our sight words, and we're also going to talk about soft C and soft G. This is for the stories Rice is Nice and Rice Race. I'm doing two different videos because there's a little bit more material to cover for these stories because I'm teaching you some more information. So let's get started with our sight words. Some of these you'll already know. This word is into. Let's say it together 3 times. Into, into, into. This word is time. Let's say it together 3 times. Time, time, time. But you know a lot of these already. Probably read them before I tell you. That word is make. Let's say it together 3 times. Make, make, make. I can make a silly looking M. This word is all. Let's say it together 3 times. All, all, all. Now, most of these other words we have already done. I just wanted to give them to you as a quick review because we have a lot of words in our stories now. You can read a lot. This word is just. Let's say it together. Just. We already know this one. With. Let's say it together. With. This word is where. Let's say it together. Where. This one is to. Let's say it together. To. So this one has 2 O's. So this is like I want to go to. It's not the number 2 or that I'm going to give it to you. It means also. This word is buy. Let's say it together. Buy. This isn't I go and buy candy at the store. This is not goodbye. This is buy. I sit by you. Wow, that is super sloppy. I just, sorry. Let's try that one again. Writing with my finger is not the easiest thing. This word is them. Let's say it together. Them. You've already had all of these words in other stories. This word is help. Let's say it together. Help. This one is will. Let's say it together. Will. This word is this. Let's say it together. This. This is a rather large S. And this word is must. Let's say it together. Must. Okay, quick review. Ready? Begin. Into, time, make, all, just, with, where, to, by, them, help, will, this, must. If you'd like, you can pause and say those again for practice. Now, I want to teach you about the letter C and the letter G. They do some special things. Sometimes they make a soft sound, so we call it soft. Soft C. Okay? Soft C. So soft C makes the S sound. C also can make the K sound. And what determines what sound it's going to make is the vowels that are next to it. So when soft C says S is when it's next to an E or next to an I or next to a Y. So anytime C is next to an E, an I, or Y, it's going to make this sound. So we have C-E, sorry, sloppy, C-E, C-I, I or CY. If these are in a word, the C will make the S sound. Okay, here's some examples. For example, S, K, L. Or circle. Another one is S, N, T, center. Cycle. So circle, center, and cycle are three words where the C makes a soft sound, makes the S sound. Circle, center, cycle. In our story, these are the words that we have. Sound R. Sound A. And CE says S, race. Sound R. Sound I. Then CE is S, rice. And the other one is sound S, sound P, sound I. And CE says spice. So race, rice, and spice are the three words that are in our stories. Rice is nice and rice race. Well, there's rice and there's race. Okay, so those are the ones that are going to be in our story that are for soft C. I'd also like to talk to you about soft G. And you're going to notice that there's some things that are the same between soft C and soft G. So soft G makes the J sound, okay? So once again, the vowels that are next to the G determine if it's going to say J or G. And soft G says J. So again, we have E, I, and Y. So anytime you have GE says J. GI says J. And GY says J. Okay? These all say J. One of my favorite words is, or one of my favorite animals is giraffe. And giraffe starts with GI. So here are some examples. Sound J, L, gel. J, I, and T. Giant, and sound J. Sound I. Sound gym. So gel, giant, and gym are some examples of words that make the soft G, the J sound. And some of the words in our story, this is going to be a big hint for you for the story. Sound is J. Sound E. Sound J. M. Gem. Yep, that's somebody's name. Another one is sound H. Sound U. And GE is J. There's that J sound, J. Huge. And the last one, sound S. Sound T. Sound A. And GE says J. Stage. Word stage. So gem, huge, and stage are three of the words in our stories. Rice is nice and rice race, and they all have the soft G, which makes the same sound as the J. J. All right? Okay, well, that's the end of the first video. We're going to do one more to get you all ready. I'm going to teach you some new stuff in the next video.